So we've mentioned our example of buying the euro earlier in this course. But what does it actually mean to buy a currency pair? We mentioned the euro, but this is the euro US dollar. So what does that mean? If you have only the access to pairs of currencies rather than just buying the euro, what does that mean? Well, actually, buying the euro USD is not as simple as simply saying the euro is going up. Buying the euro against the US dollar is speculating that the euro will go up and the US dollar will go down. So if you take a buy position on this, you think that the market is going to go up in this currency pair. Essentially what this is saying, euro USD, you need X number of US dollars to get 1 euro. If you think about it that way, it's not too complicated. So if the price goes up, it means that you need more US dollars to get 1 euro. So hopefully that makes sense. But moving on, we're going to talk about the difference between buying and selling, or long and short. They are pretty much the same thing, but what you're going to be saying here is if you're buying, you speculate that the price will be going up. And if you're selling, obviously you think the price is going to go down. Same applies with long and short. It is the same concept. Long meaning you think it's going to go up, and short meaning you think it's going to go down. But when you're shorting or buying a currency pair, you are actually always speculating that one will go up and one will go down. So let's say we want to actually short the euro USD. What you're saying in this case is that you think the euro will go down and the dollar will go up relative to each other. So it really is kind of a proportion to each other. So the euro USD, or let's say the Australian dollar versus the Canadian dollar, those are currency pairs. That's speculating that one will go up and one will go down. Like I said, buying this pair is going to assume that the euro goes up and the dollar goes down. That is what you are speculating. So, like I mentioned as well, if price does move up, it means that the euro has appreciated against the dollar. Now there's multiple different pairs for each currency. So let's say we, instead of the euro USD, we looked at the euro Swiss franc. The ticker symbol is EURCHF, the euro Swiss franc. So in this case, if the price moved up on this chart, it means that the euro is appreciating relative to the Swiss franc.